Hello, I just recently purchased a Samsung Galaxy S10e and I'd like to give you my opinion on it. So in the package I received the phone. This is the special tool to remove the compartment where you can put a SIM card and a additional memory card. Of course, Samsung charger.
This is USB to USB-C adapter.
Excellent headphones with the volume control. They have amazing bass. I was not expecting to get those. And of course, charging cable. This is USB to USB-C. And of course, instructions. And the phone I got was made in Vietnam. I'm not gonna talk about all the features because it took me 2 days just to read through the instructions. But what I have to say is the phone is amazing. The first thing that struck me the most is the screen. This is AMOLED screen that looks totally amazing. I've never seen anything like it. I think iPhone these days has LCD screen. This screen, when you look and watch your videos, they look like they were recording in 4K. For example, this is the picture of my friend taken on the beach, and the crispiness of the picture and the colors, they're just amazing. Screen is just fantastic. Phone itself without the case feels a little bit slippery. So I would highly recommend getting a case. So in front you have a small front facing camera. This is 16 megapixel camera. In the back you have two lenses. One is wide lens, the other one is regular lens. And a flash. Both cameras can shoot at 16 megapixels. Here you can switch from the regular lens to a wider lens. This is very useful for taking selfies because you can get more of the area covered. Also, you can switch from different ratios from 3:4, 9:16, 1:1 or full screen. Also, you have very good options to save space while recording the video. When you switch to video mode, you have a couple of different features. So you can see right now, so we can shoot at 60 frames per second on the rear video. On the front video, you can also shoot at 16:9 and 1920 by 1080. You have a video stabilization, which is awesome. HDR rich tones. What I like about this particular camera, when you go to advanced recordings, now you can record your videos in high efficiency codec, which is HEVC. When you have this on, you save about 40% on the space of the file. When I took a sample of 30-second shots without any effects and any saving options, the file size was about 105 megabytes. When I turned on my HEVC codec, then I got 40% savings in file size. Also, if you turn this feature on, which is steady, super steady on, then you have additional 30 to 40% savings in file size. So out of 105 megabytes, I was able to go down to 38 megabytes with almost no loss of picture quality. What I was really surprised to see is that the video stabilization is almost as good as on my regular Sony camcorder. It is really amazing, and I was walking outside my house and I did some samples shots. I will post the links down on the bottom of the description of the video so you can check them out. They're really, really amazing. Next feature that I like to cover is a finger scanner. It is located on the right side right here. It looks kind of small, but it works really, really great. I've scanned a couple of my fingers, so let's say if I turn everything off, all I have to do is just put my finger on it and it automatically turns on. You can also use the finger to unlock different features, so you don't have to log into different apps, you can just use your finger. In terms of performance, I have to say this phone performs better than my computer. I have Core i5 computer with lots of RAM. This phone has only 6 gigs of RAM and 128 gigabytes of storage, has a Snapdragon 855 and is really super fast. I did some tests with speed test. The speed depends on the network that you have, but for example, when I was on a Wi-Fi, I got about 85 megabits per second, and 23 it was upload. Also, when I was doing the test using my Google Wi-Fi, so as you can see, I was connected at 425 megabits per second, which is really lightning fast. On the bottom you have a headphone jack, USB-C charging port, speaker and microphone. On the top you have a speaker, and this is the compartment for your SIM card. Volume buttons, and again scanner. So overall the phone is super fast, screen is amazing, finger scanner works flawlessly, and I'm really happy with it. Picture quality is even better than my regular camera, so now I'm gonna be taking more pictures and more video with it. Optical stabilization is really superb, and I have nothing bad to say about this phone right now, and if you want to buy it, I would highly recommend it. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.